Hey guys, young Welsh in Dramâu, all working hard. There's the one and only Kevin.
Kevin Adui.
What's he doing?
Yeah.
He is making the cement.
By hand.
So it's going good. We haven't got one of them wheel things, so yeah. Oh, nice. Just making the wall. So it's going good. What are they going and doing over here? Amy doing the sawing.
Yeah, man.
Joe being lazy. So this is day one of working. I think we're gonna have a rest now in a bit. Young Welsh and rock and roll.
Young Welsh and learning new skills. Ifanc Cymraeg a gwirfoddoli yn foniau Ffrainc.
Ifanc Cymraeg a dysgu sgiliau newydd.